Today we're making asparagus soup. This is a great summertime soup to serve cold or with fall coming and winter coming. I love to have it warm. It's quick and easy. Take your asparagus. What I'm doing right now is I've got a bunch of asparagus and I'm snapping the ends off. These are tough. So where it naturally breaks, you just discard that part. So it goes from like this, where it grows at the base, and then you trim it to about right there. That just takes a minute or so to trim these. I've got behind me water starting to boil. I'm gonna rinse these, and I'm placing this asparagus into my boiling water. I've got about a ½ inch to an inch of water in the pan. So I'm gonna boil these till they're tender, about 10 or 15 minutes, and I'll turn them off. I'm gonna put the lid on so they steam. And then we're ready for step 2. Okay, our asparagus have been steamed. So they've lost a little bit of that vibrant green color. Here's what they look like. You just dump them straight in the blender. And what you want to do, so it's a soup. We always have chicken stock around the house. When we're boiling chicken for protein, we always keep the stock. It'll keep for about a week, maybe a week and a half. You can tell if it starts getting a little funky, throw it out. We boiled probably 8 organic skinless thighs, and now we have an entire pot of stock so that we can make butternut squash, asparagus soup throughout the week, or just sip on the broth. It's very spiced as it is. So I will add about 2 cups of that. I'm gonna add some kosher salt. Just add whatever salt you want. You can add whatever spices you want. This is super easy and you can personalize it to your taste. That's pepper. I like garlic. You can put garlic in anything. So now I can add some Old Bay seasoning, which is just kind of celery seed, paprika, maybe some turmeric. And you stick it in the blender. It literally is that easy. And I like to drink out of a mug. Oh, look it out. And if you're feeling fancy, dress it with some green onions. Oh, what a treat. Oh, let's try it. That's good. Vegetables and chicken stock, a few spices. Yeah, that's good. Enjoy.